Do you want to start a highly profitable mobile auto repair business? Consider Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists, a business that's already generating over $100 million in system-wide sales. Our business model is straightforward. We save car owners hundreds of dollars by repairing their wheels and rims for about $150, rather than replacing them for $800 to $1,200 each. When you deliver that kind of value, finding new business is not difficult. Auto body shops, automobile dealers, tire stores, insurance companies, and other automotive chains will sell your services for you, marking up the price. Win-win. They take in the business through the front door and send you the work out the back door in bulk. We park our vehicles on their lots and do wheel and rim repairs right there. It's convenient for both the automobile business and the end customer, keeping business flowing. Because we highly specialize and offer franchisees proprietary processes and equipment, you won't face much competition. We're already operating throughout the United States, generating $100 million in sales and owning about 10% of the market share. The marketplace is large and we still have more territories to offer. There are more cars on the road today than ever before in U.S. history. The average American household owns 2 cars. More cars mean more repairs and more revenue opportunities for Alloy franchisees. Our average franchisees generate over $430,000 in sales, with top performers exceeding $840,000. While most service businesses struggle to achieve 20% net income, our franchisees generate 50% gross profit margins. See the FDD for more details. Our training is outstanding and our business is easy to learn. We will have you and your technicians repairing wheels and rims, generating revenue and satisfying customers in little time. Reach out to see if your territory is still available. Whether you want to be an owner-operator with no employees or build a fleet of repair vehicles and employ a team of technicians, Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists can assist you. The initial investment ranges from $99,000 to $213,500, and financing is available. Visit www.alloywheelfranchise.com for more information.